Hey everyone, welcome back. If your RBC account balance is not updating, it can be a bit confusing, but it is usually easy to fix. First, refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, then close it completely, and then reopen it after a few seconds. Now, check if there are pending transactions that have not posted yet. Next, go ahead and switch your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, log out and back in to refresh your account data. If the balance still does not update, wait for RBC system refresh or contact support. Balances usually update automatically once transactions are fully processed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.